Hi everyone, so it's Rands Adventures. So we're in Blackpool, we're going to Madame Tussauds. Never been in this one, but Merlin are losing it at the end of this year, and Blackpool Council are taking it over. So obviously please come and visit, even for the tourism of Blackpool. I think it's £50 all day for all the attractions on the seafront. Obviously they've already took control of it, like ticket wise, but obviously Merlin have still got access to it until end of December. So if you've got a Merlin annual pass until December, end of December, you can come and have a look into all the attractions on the seafront. So we're going to go in and have a look. Obviously Peter Rabbit as well, which is next door. The Gruffalo's that way, next to underneath the Sea Life Centre as well. So we're just going to have a quick look. We've never been in here before. Obviously we went into the one in London, it was really good. So it's like our first time into this one. Obviously we've got a lot of the northern, like the northern characters, like Coronation Street, Strictly Come Dancing, because obviously the Blackpool Tower. Obviously the Blackpool Tower is going to go as well to the council, which it was before anyway, and then Merlin took control of it. Yeah, so join us as we go inside. Just inside, we've just gone through, and obviously we've got the glitter ball there. Oh wow. Here come dancing. Test daily.
This is Strictly Come Dancing.
And Alan Park. So it is Alan Carr's sofa. They got Dame Edna Bridge as well. I'm a celebrity. Us Avengers. Oh wow. I'm a celebrity. Oh. Ooh. Out on deck. We've got Bear Grylls. Brian Cox. Oh yeah, because he does all that. My first ever movie, E.T. Obviously we went on this ride in Universal Studios. Stanley Matthews. Taylor. I was roughing her down. Roughing her down. Through, and we've got a nice view of so-called pier. And North Pier. We're going to go on the tram as well today. Tommy's never been on the tram. Great. Oh, so we're about to enter my favourite place in the world, apart from obviously roller coasters. Join us as we go in the comic store. Marvel comic store. Oh wow. Spidey for Iron Man. Spidey for my favourite friend in the world. I'm really in my element here. Favourite man as well. I'd say it'll be in the about. Carry how about wait for that? Heidi. Or I'm Iron Man.
Please touch the video.
Whoa. Chris Helmsworth? No, I've seen that. So I've got the Force Hammer, Chris Helmsworth, as Mjolnir. Subway Manhattan.
Please touch the video.
Oh, it's a car, you can lift it. Oh.
Please touch the video. Flash
Way down. You want to film me? You got Iron Man, you got Iron Man. Alright. Rocket, Captain Marvel. Good job, actually, this is kind of cool. Jodie's favourite place. Don't like Coronation Street? Coronation Street. Rita Beck and Maids. Oh wow. Ice creams. Oh, am I in the way? Oh, it's because it was filmed here, wasn't it? Some of it, Blackpool. Brennan's and the Tussauds. I'll see what Ogden. Jane Alexander. It's Rover's Return. We've got Jack Shepherd. There's Jack and Vera. Rover's Return. That's quite good. Jackson. All different folk sound booths. That's pretty good. Tom Jones. We've been there, haven't we? Mm-hmm. Cavern Club. We've been to the Cavern Club. The Beatles.
Okay.
So you go there.
Oh. Fleetwood. Oh, this is weird. Oh. That's weird. I'm lost now. What's the glass? Oh, wow, that is weird. This is a bit disorientating. I can't tell what's a wall and what isn't. That's glass. So that mirror maze was very disorientating. I was walking around in circles, so I didn't realise we got out, but it was really good. Very disorientating. Lily Hill. Royce Thompson. Stanley. King. Ducks. Wales. Prince and Princess of Wales. Last after stop video. We're going downstairs. Oh, there's another one, someone at VIP access. Who's that? No, it's The Rock. Oh wow. The Rock. Right, F1, isn't he? Oh, you got Beatles stuff. So that was our trip to Madame Tussauds, Blackpool. It was very good. That mirror maze was very, very disorientating. Yeah, it was good though. The attractions were amazing in there. The likenesses were really, really good. We're going to explore a bit more Blackpool. What did you think?
It was really good. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's obviously once Merlin lets it go, it's still worth a lot of the money. It's still worth the attractions, amazing. So please come and visit. Obviously check it out on the Blackpool Council website. Obviously for the attractions, and they're linked in. I think it's £50 for a whole day for all the attractions in Blackpool. So, or you can get less. You can get per tickets per ones per attraction as well. And all of them are relatively close to each other. So please check them out.